Balasubramanian. So we know these things happening, and many persons dying within one day, suddenly, because the lung has choked, because the infection spreading from the hand to nose, and immediately it go inside the lung, finish. If we can survive immunity, prevention only. That how we prevent? No vaccine. So we have to wash hand. We have to take our own precaution. Cholera also like that. We have spread it, means we have fight, and UK people have fighted. So we have to use spoon, fork, wash hands. These are the only options. No other options are there.
Rightly said by the sir. The take-home message will be practicing hand hygiene is very simple and least expensive way or prevention of this infectious diseases.
Yes, madam, Jaswanji. And not only hand hygiene, also you have to, we have to personal care, means health hygiene totally. Means wash your clothes together. Also wash your face mask, wear face mask in public places, keep safe distance. Because when I am speaking, what you call, the sputum can go to other place. So we have to keep safe distance and take precautions ourselves. All of us is health worker, not that only doctors and nurses are health worker. Previously, some places we have noticed that doctors are not allowed to enter into the home. They have to stay in hotel, etc. So some hotels have been opened. In hotel, 5-star hotel, they have arranged for doctors. This is not the way. Doctors also health worker. We are also health worker. In our personal level, we have to take care of ourselves and our family.
Sir, the soaps are surfactant-based soaps. So, means what alcohol-based soap or antimicrobial agent-based soap we should prefer in this era?
No, actually, we cannot get always the what you call the actual hand sanitizer, etc. Because many companies making and all many fake gels, and there are many fake business also coming up. As we know that soap solution also fake. So many things are there, but soap usually destroy the bacterial cell wall and lyse the bacteria. So if we wash properly with like 1 minute, 2 minute properly, it will reduce the contamination. But as long as we don't touch many things, very good, because we cannot wash also. Many times if we wash, our hand will be washed away, because the soap solution is so corrosive. So we know that if somebody we see that some washing hand and leg always with water, it will do other diseases. The hand will come up the diseases with the nails affected. So we have to take precaution properly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable insight. Over to you, Prajakta ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for such a knowledgeable session. Any more questions from the audience?
Again, one chat box, I see one question from Mr. Singh, Priyangshu Singh. We are using vegetable clean to clean our fruits and vegetables, chemicals, and consume another chemical. Is it safe? Means if we, means what you tell that vegetable clean. Okay, the vegetable is with chemicals you are telling. And if we wash, yes, it normally it is recommended that when we bring the vegetables from market, we should wash it before cutting, and after cutting don't wash, and before cutting we should wash properly, and then we cut the vegetable and use for cooking. So it will, many vegetables usually they give some protectant, because if you think that a ripe banana, if we take out from a tree and pack when it come to our place, it will be mashed, not a banana. So a green banana have to cut and packed and have to be transported. And on the way, it should be ripe. So this is a, they have to give carbide inside the box, etc. This is a food technology. So if we don't give the preservative, and then we cannot handle. Dr. Bimal know very well that pharmacy, that how the food preservatives used, and in the food technology, if any persons are there, they know that without this technology we cannot. Let's suppose we keep a sauce without preservative, we cannot keep a sauce. So there are chemicals used, and we have to be careful. Okay, if we don't want to pesticide and chemicals, we have to wash it, because it is normal. We have to use the pesticide as a whole. We not using always the biopesticide methods in everywhere. Okay, I think no more questions are there. Do you recommend
There is
masks
one
for
more question.
respirators? Yes, madam.
Yes, sir, same question.
Okay, okay. Ms. Anush Pradhan have asked, do you recommend masks for respirators? Means I don't understand. Okay, means you are telling that who is doing jogging or exercise. No, during jogging exercise, don't use mask, because it will obstruct the normal air taking. But that time you have to be careful that you have proper distance with other persons. Not 1 meter. You have to be careful that 5 meter distance is there. You can understand when an insect stick is there, whole room is getting the smell. Means it is a diffusion, the air spreading. So bacteria and virus, we don't know how long it can spread by air. So we should be careful and keep distance.